On today's menu, a recipe so full of flavor is a party you'll definitely want to attend. An extraordinary pistachio, roasty pesto toasties. 你好嘛, that's us going in Cantonese. Welcome to Young Man Cooking, I'm Yeung. This recipe is easy to make, delicious, and perfect for hosting or really just for yourself to enjoy. As always, if you enjoyed today's episode, definitely give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below. Let's begin. Place about 80 grams of fresh basil into a blender. 25 grams spinach. About a quarter cup of pistachios. Crushed and peeled 2 pieces of garlic. 3 tablespoons of hemp hearts for good measure. 3/4 cups of olive oil. About a teaspoon of lemon juice. Half teaspoon salt. And fresh cracked pepper to taste. Blend on medium-high for about 30 seconds. Pour into an airtight container and refrigerate. Enjoy for up to 1 to 2 weeks or use right away. Toss some pasta in this pesto and it'll be just delicious. But for today's episode, a bit of a companion video to 2 recipes found in the 4th cookbook simply titled Dining In with Will. There is the pistachio pesto we just made, and what we're going to make next is the roasty pesto toasties. For more information or to grab your copy of one of the 4 Young Man Cooking cookbooks, there is a link in the description box below, or you can visit youngmancooking.com. Let's begin. Slice 6 to 8 slices from your favorite baguette. To get them nice and crispy, you can toast them in the oven on a sheet pan or on the stove top. Frying pan. Medium heat. Toast the slices of bread for a couple of minutes or until golden brown. Carefully turn over the slices of bread. Allow the other side to toast for a minute or 2. Then carefully transfer onto a cooling rack. This is important to prevent the toasties from becoming soggy. Slice 6 to 8 cherry tomatoes in half. The cherry tomatoes will add a delicious natural sweetness and acidity. Place the cherry tomatoes onto a baking tray facing upwards. Season with some salt and fresh cracked pepper to taste. Place in the oven on the top rack and broil on low for 4 to 6 minutes. Be sure to keep an eye on it. In the meantime, coarsely crush some pistachios. These are not only beautiful, but will add a delicious, earthy nuttiness. Assemble the toasties. Spoon over about half a tablespoon of pesto onto the toasties. The pesto and the tomatoes will have an incredible mouthfeel against that crispy toast. Spread the pesto. Assemble the blistered cherry tomatoes onto each piece. Sprinkle over the coarsely chopped pistachios. You can now serve up this delicious appetizer with absolute confidence. Man, that is just beautiful. Man, that is so tasty. What's not to love? At first glance, it is just gorgeous. And with that first bite, you are welcomed with an explosion of flavor and that amazing crispy crunchiness. There's that beautiful toasty, roasty flavor from the toasted baguette and the caramelization from the cherry tomatoes. The pesto brings that beautiful foresty green color, and it's salty, it's nutty, and incredibly aromatic with that fresh basil. There's also that bit of crunchiness from the pistachios, but the cherry tomatoes just explode with that extraordinary natural sweet flavor. Such a visually inviting recipe and so simple to put together. This is definitely one of those recipes that's impressive enough for an amazing restaurant, but made in the comfort of your very own home. Like I always say, simple, delicious recipes like this makes it so exciting and so much fun to cook at home. If you love easy, delicious recipes like me, definitely check out or pick up your copy of one of the 4 Young Man Cooking cookbooks. There's a print or digital version of these books you can find in the link in the description box below, or you can visit youngmancooking.com. If you enjoyed today's episode, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below. If you're not already subscribed with that notification bell clicked, remember to do so that we can cook together again in the next episode.